Becoming a doctor was a choice I made from a very early age. In high school, I really wanted to do something that was impactful, and I think we're all put here for a particular reason. Very important to be impactful in your own life and the life of others and the life of your family, and I think medicine affords that availability to everybody who goes into that profession. It's a special profession for that reason. I actually went into medicine to become a pediatrician, in all honesty, and when I finally delivered babies, I really enjoyed doing that, and it offered at a level of medicine that involved surgery, general internal medicine, so it was kind of a more complete sort of practice, and I realized that I liked delivering babies more than I enjoyed necessarily taking care of little ones, so that's why I changed my mind. Well, as I've matured through practice, having been in practice for about 25 years, my direction has been primarily to focus more on not so much all the technology that's out there that's important, but to center on quality of medical care, and I've tried to hone my practice skills and become involved with administrative avenues of medicine that look to quality of medical practice for coming up with medical plans for the care of patients, for things that will matter to patients more as we age together through childbearing and through middle age, as well as through the senior years. Medicine these days has gotten very complicated and complex with all the different technologies and all the different opportunities out there, the different practice scenarios people can become involved with. I think coming to our practice, and particularly my general practice pattern, is to try and individualize care with the understanding technology is important, but it's not the sole factor in terms of managing a patient's life continuum, and being able to provide them with good medical care that's solidly based in quality care, as well as applying the appropriate technologies, I think is what I try and give my patients. I think they appreciate that. Well, there's a lot of things I've developed interest in over the years. We came from a musical family, a sports-minded family, so I enjoy musical concerts, and sporting events I enjoy attending with friends and family. And when I have the time with my family, we like to kick back at the beach, kick some shoes off, have some good food and some fun times. And then if there's a little extra time in an afternoon, I might play golf with some colleagues and friends as well. So it keeps me pretty busy.